Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to talk about the present rain weather in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. So guys, there will be a present rain in the game, and with this weather, you will be able to get presents quickly from the Christmas island. So when the present rain weather is coming, you need to immediately teleport to the Christmas island, and there will be a lot of falling present. Okay, I'm going to go to the Christmas island. Wait. All right, I've already teleported to the Christmas island, and you will see present and just click on open present and you will get common present, and it will help you to get the present faster, guys. Okay, wow, the rare present. Okay, you just need to keep looking around and find the present. It will help you to complete the what is that? The Santa's gift factory quest and also the Christmas celebration quest. Okay guys, and that's all about the um rain the falling present weather. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.